In today's video, I am taking you along as I get my snowboard waxed by the professionals, and we're going to be talking through everything that you need to know about waxing your snowboard, how often to do it, why you need to do it, which wax you want to choose, the cost, and you can actually see the process of my board getting waxed, so you'll have a better idea of what to expect when you go in. Here we go. It's satisfying to watch. What's up, everyone? I am here at Ski and See in Sandy, and I need to get my snowboard waxed, so Sam here is nice enough to wax my board for me.
What wax does on the snowboard is going to create a slipperier surface to when it's going against the snow, it'll slide a lot better and give you a lot more speed so you're not getting stuck on those flat cat tracks.
All right, the sound from this video was pretty terrible when I listened back to it, so I'm going to be taking Sam's knowledge and doing a bit of a voiceover here to help fill in the gaps and reduce the amount of time we got to listen to the hum. Thank you and sorry. Regular waxing prevents base wear by filling the pores of the snowboard base to create a protective barrier and reduce friction from the snow surface. In the long run, this quick and easy maintenance extends the usable life of your snowboard. For reference, I paid $25 for the hand wax, and this shop charges $10 for just a standard wax. So step 1, Sam cleaned the board thoroughly using a specialized snowboard cleaner and a clean cloth to remove the dirt, grime, and old wax, ensuring a smooth application of the new wax. While he was doing it, I was telling him that I had tried waxing my own board at home, and it was absolutely awful.
Looks like you even have some leftover wax from your...
That was probably me, yes. Step 2. Sam took a scraper and scraped off any remaining wax. Step 3, with a hand wax, Sam took an iron and put it on the hottest temperature. While he was doing this, he explained that there are 2 types of wax that they'll use. The first is a cold weather snowboard wax, and cold temperature waxes are harder, allowing them to hold up to the more abrasive nature of colder, dry snow. Cold temperature waxes work by reducing the friction caused by snow and ice. The other type of wax is an all-season snowboard wax. The most versatile of waxes, all-season snowboard waxes provide reliable glide and cruising speeds in all conditions and temperatures all season long. Sam applied the wax evenly across the base of the snowboard using a waxing iron set to the hottest temperature. Step 4, after spreading the wax evenly, Sam allowed it to cool and solidify for about 15 to 20 minutes, ensuring optimal bonding. As you can see, this particular step took the longest of all of the steps. Sam really took his time to make sure that the wax was evenly spread across the entire board. Step 5, after the wax dried, Sam took the iron and ran it along the board to melt the wax evenly across the entire board. Step 6, after the wax dried, he took the scraper and scraped off the top layer of wax. This step was mesmerizing. I'm telling you, I could not look away. I know this is really gross, but it totally reminded me of like dead peeling skin after a really bad sunburn. Am I right or am I right? Okay, real life question. People that are actually doing this at their house, is it because they enjoy it? Is it because they're trying to save money? Sincerely, I'm wondering why someone would do this.
So basically, it's a combination of all those, really. Some people they like taking care of their own stuff because they feel like if it's someone, like even though it's someone like I know what I'm doing and stuff like that, they just like to have it in their own hands. So if something gets messed up, it's on them. It's like they know it's gonna be like they trust themselves more than someone else.
Yeah.
Another thing is too, yeah, it does save some money, but it's also like the time and everything, the concept. Yeah. You have to deal with scraping off everything at your house, having the mess, and you're also, but like you can buy a stick of wax for like $8.
Yeah.
You can use, like I said, people just get these for like $1 at the dollar store and use these to clean them up. Just really any plastic scraper you can use.
It's satisfying to watch. Finally, Sam brushed the base with a snowboard-specific brush to further enhance the wax penetration and remove any remaining excess wax particles.
You want to feel it? You said it almost like skips right across.
Yeah. Yeah, that's nuts.
So yeah, that wax just kind of sticks to that bottom base layer on there.
It's beautiful. Well, Sam, thank you so much for waxing my board. Come in every 5 to 10 times depending on the wax you're getting. And nice people like Sam that are very talented and capable will take care of you. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I'm doing finger guns. I don't know.